What's going on, fellow engineers? Thank you for checking out this video. If this is your first time to the channel, please be sure to subscribe. Each week I come out with new videos discussing technology such as computer programming or smart home technology. And on Saturdays I do videos of a Saturday project where I build or fix something. So please be sure to come back every week. This week's video, I'm going to talk about a friend of mine had some difficulties trying to set up the drill that she had. She had the drill bit and the drill, but could not figure out how to get the drill bit into the drill. She kind of had an idea, but what she was trying wasn't working. She said she looked online and it did not show, or she could not find like a YouTube video or a tutorial somewhere that would show how to assemble the drill together for her particular setup. So I made this video that I'm about to show you on how to assemble a drill, just in case you or somebody else don't know how to do it. So check it out.
All right, this is how you basically assemble a drill. So this end piece here rotates, and you need to rotate it. See the chuck in here in the middle? Based upon how far you rotate it, it goes further out. And if you turn it the other way, it goes closer in. So you need to put this inside there and then tighten it back up. And then when you tighten it back up, you can pull on it. Literally, I can do that, and it'll stay in there. And then your drill bit on the end goes right in there, and that's it.
That wraps things up for this video. Thank you for watching. Be sure to subscribe if you have not already done so. Also, down below, you can drop a comment if you have any questions or comments related to how to put your drill bit together. Until the next time, peace out.